guys, that's Ruben Johnson once again, and today I'm my episode 4 of my street Cub build. Okay guys, so if you never watch all the episode by episode, if you never start from the beginning, please go down in the description and watch up the episode series. I'm gonna leave the episode 1, 2, 3 in the down in the description. Okay, so today we are gonna be building up this Cub one more time. Okay, and guys, you're gonna see the LB Cub. This one is a BMX Cub. Okay, you see the reason why the BMX Cub is there, because this is my build. If you want to watch how I build this, I'm gonna leave the episode, the link in the description also. So the reason why this is there, because I have a customer that bought this thing long time ago, but he never took it because the man were not in the town. So he bought it with me and he leave it with me. So today he called me that I should send it, so I just keep it there. So what I'm gonna do is gonna clean up because of the dogs is being there for mount. So I'm gonna send it to him. So guys, let's do that for now and come for the Honda Street build. So guys, today we are gonna be doing the brake. Okay, we're gonna be doing the brake. So I'm doing the brake like this. You know, this one is a hydraulic brake and I customize something like this. The reason why I never put up the video, you're gonna customize this in your own way with your caliper. Depends the caliper you got. Here in Nigeria, this caliper is very hard, so I got this one from the CD110. So I just put it right there. Okay, and that's awesome. So today I'm gonna be fixing up the hydraulic and we are gonna be building it step by step. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification, turn on the notification bell so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop a video. Okay. Okay guys, today I got an engine from the Belgium. You might be wondering, this is an old engine. Now this engine is for us, it's a new engine. I got it from Belgium. I just do some retouch. You know, if you are in like United States, in America, you'll be thinking, how is that? What is Belgium? You don't know. Yeah, here in Nigeria we got buy old things that the fella use from some countries. Like this engine is it's a Chinese engine. I ordered the CC 110, but it got to bring me a CC 100. I'm not too happy with that, but I just say, okay, this engine is good. Okay, that's fine. If I want it later, I'm gonna modify it to become a CC 110 as I want. But just say no, let me just use it anyway. You know, I like CC. All my mini bike custom made, I really want them to be CC 110, because you know, sometimes when you want to show a little bit of attitude, you're gonna be speeding, right? And boom, engine mount. So what we're gonna be doing right now, I'm gonna be putting some footrest. I'm gonna be using this one. And guys, you're gonna be watching this footrest customizing very carefully and watch it very. When I'm done, I'm gonna show you very clear, because the way I wanna customize my footrest on the bike, it's gonna be different. I've been seeing no one in the world however construct the kind of footrest I wanna customize in this bike, because it's my thinking. This is not a tutorial on the YouTube channel that I watch. It's something you're gonna be watching it very clear, because it's gonna be one of its kind in the whole world. Okay guys, because this footrest is gonna be a trafficators, guys. This footrest is gonna be lighting footrest, guys. So you're gonna be thinking clear to watch this video very carefully. So you're gonna do one of those and flex in your town. But remember to give a like button and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, because I give you amazing things in my channel, guys. Okay, and now I'm on the footrest. Now let's do this. Okay, guys, you're gonna recognize this. This is from the BMX cycle. If you're gonna see BMX cycle, you're gonna see one of those. You can find it in any BMX cycle shop. You can find one of those. So we're gonna put them right there. Don't worry, you're gonna see exactly what I say. This is gonna be one in the world footrest. One in the world footrest. I'm gonna put it right there. Then right on, we're gonna put light inside there. Hey, look pretty, guys. Take a look pretty, right? Okay, so let's do that. And this is gonna nice. Hey, look at this. Like I said, this is gonna look nice and it's gonna be one in the world just seeing the beginning. When I got this done, you're not gonna recognize this footrest, okay? Take a look at this shit, nigga. Nice. I just sleep like 2 to 3 days now and I come up with another idea in this thing. I never tell you what you're gonna be facing if you're building a street Cub. You know, you are building a bigger tires, right? So now you're gonna have issues when you reach this level, because you have give it some space down here, right? You're giving it some space down here. So one thing you're gonna be facing is that the engine sprocket not gonna match straight away with the chain, because the bike goes like with the small wheels, right? So the chain goes somewhere there, but this one move aside to shift this side. This is gonna have problem in here, so you're gonna be customizing some sprocket. There are some sprocket in places like United States. There are some sprocket you're gonna order, sprocket that looks like this. You see, sprocket that looks like this. So I'll come up with an idea to construct this sprocket. This thing has given me a serious problem. I tried many ways, but I didn't get it. So today I got with this idea to construct some sprocket like this. You see, this is where you're gonna go with the teeth. This is a gear, a motorbike gear, a 50cc gear or 70cc, or the CD110 engine. You're gonna get this inside the engine, and then you're gonna wear it from the sprocket to give a space. This space will shift it from right there to space there. Let me show you. Let me cut those things off. And now I'm gonna cut all those things. And now you're gonna see this sprocket like this. You understand? When I fix this sprocket, you are saving the sprocket. Has given some space right there. Like I said to you, this is the most hardest part in this Cub build that have been very difficult. I've been struggling with this thing for 3 days. 3 days, guys. You see, the sprocket is not cooperating with the chain. So today I got a final idea, and this we worked. One, this is the shot from the Honda Cub gear. Then I'm gonna put this out like this. And I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear this up right there, and I'm gonna put this in right there. So I'm gonna wear this up like this with this together. When I wear it, I will show you. And when you are wearing it, I'll make sure you wear it with a very good retro. You see, yeah, we have 2 retros. This. The bike for doing finish. Now it's a finishing up level. I just want to straight everything and smooth the body, make it very clean, and I'm gonna be doing some strong welding from all the places I weld, and do some clips. I'm gonna smooth it places like this. I want to smooth it and fill it with filler, make it look very smooth, so that we're gonna do some painting, right? Okay, and now we are not gonna be using this stone. We're gonna pull this out, and then what we're gonna use is this. This is a raw, some paper smooth, so that we're gonna clear all the body. Well guys, today we are came to an end of episode 4. So this is how I keep it, I smooth the body. So I'm gonna be waiting for filler. So the episode 5 we're gonna put up the painting, right? Episode 5 we're gonna do the filling and fill the body, the filler, and then do some painting, right? So guys, all you wanna do to watch up the episode 5, just click that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. It's absolutely free. This is not charging you a penny. Just click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe, man. Just push up the channel forward, guys, to see much of those videos. Please, guys. Okay. So from here we're gonna push up on the episode 5. Okay. So we're gonna wait for episode 5. Just subscribe. You're gonna be notified when I drop the next video. Okay, guys. This is the end of the episode 5. So, peace.